This guilt-free, raw vegan biryani will transform how you think about healthy eating. Cauliflower rice mixed with vibrant carrots, sweet peas, and plump raisins creates the perfect base. The magic happens when you add your homemade garam masala, a beautiful blend of cumin, coriander seeds, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, and nutmeg ground to perfection. The apricot puree adds a natural sweetness, while lemon juice brightens everything. What makes this dish special? It's completely raw, alkaline, and packed with living enzymes that nourish your body from within. Dehydrate for a few hours for that warm, comforting feel without losing any nutrients. This isn't just food, it's self-care in a bowl.